Alright, bit of a different video for today. We're on a site called PCSpecialist. First of all, this isn't sponsored, but on a site called PCSpecialist, it's essentially a site where you go on, you choose all your components for a PC, they build it, and then they send it to you, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, we're going to go on to configure a custom PC in a sec, and we're going to see how much the most expensive PC is. So I'm actually only doing this because I'm going to upgrade my PC in a few days, hopefully. Actually might be more than a few days because I've got to figure out stuff with it, but in the coming weeks I will be upgrading my PC, upgrading some specs. Anyway, so we're going to go to configure a custom PC. We're going to choose Intel first, and then we're going to AMD because I've got an AMD PC right now. Okay, right, my budget is 350 to 800, 470 to 3k, 870 to 5k, 970 to 20k, or 490 to 2k. Alright, well I felt like this one should be done there because that's the highest budget, but we'll go with it. My budget is 1.8k. Yeah, let's go for that one. Okay, right. Let's see how much the most expensive one. Okay, we obviously want to go with wait, we said you click here to reset. My previous session was just working something out. Right. So let's choose the most expensive case. Processor. I don't know. Is this one? Hold on. So that's 4851. And okay, £6,000 more. That the £6,000. That's it's quite a jump, to be honest. Right, let's go for that. So it's already pretty much 20 grand. Memory 384 gig. Graphics card, let's go for 2080. This is already 24 grand. Okay. And you can get Battlefield 5 with select GTA. No, with select. Why did I say GTA? With select NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs. We want another 2080 Ti, 25 grand, casual. Third graphics card, let's go for yet another. Actually, let's go for yet another 2080, and then let's go for another 2080. That's 4 graphics cards in one PC. How are they going to fit it all in this little case? That doesn't seem like that big of a case. Maybe they could fit in one of these because that's a big ass case, but I don't see how they could fit in that small case. Alright. Storage device, 12 gigabytes, of course, you have to go big. Second storage, 12 gigabytes again. No, that's 10. There we go. SSD, 2 terabytes. RAID, don't know what a RAID is, but I'm going to go for the most expensive one. DVD/Blu-ray. Obviously, you're going to, so that 28,213, 20, okay, so that's more expensive. Then I believe the 6 times is more expensive, and then this, let's just add that to order. That's 310 for the external hard drive. Don't know why you'd buy a 10 terabyte hard drive for the external hard drive, but you do you. Right, let's go for the most expensive one of those. I don't think these actually change the price, so we'll leave that. Add that. LED lighting. I don't believe that LED lighting works for this case from what I've heard. So we'll forget about that. We'll add that. We'll add some more extra case fans. Sound card. Let's go for the most expensive one, which is this one. Okay, that's the most expensive. Internet. This is the most expensive. USB. Does this change the price? Okay, yeah, it does. Wait, what's this? Okay, so this is the more expensive one. Operating system, we'll keep that. Yeah. Operating language, Windows, multi-language recovery image. We'll go for the Office Professional 2019. Antivirus will go for Norton. Browser, we'll go for Google because Google's just the better one. Right, so that's the PC, and then of course we'll do all this stuff. Right, so the PC alone, and I mean this is just the PC, so we're not going to bother with the delivery. Proceed. Okay, that's a bit awkward. Your graphics card, the graphics card you selected is a performance graphics card and it occupies 3 slots on your mobile. Unfortunately, this means that you have 1 less PCI. Okay. So basically, you can't do it. Basically, I have to get rid of one of these. Okay, let's just get rid of that. Does that work? Nope, still doesn't work. You've currently selected 3 PCI. Well, let's just get rid of all the graphics cards because I don't think all of these are needed. And that should work. Nope, still. Are you taking? Right. Okay. So let's change the sound card. Where's the sound card? I think the sound card's up here actually. No, it's not. Where's the sound card? I've lost the sound card. There we go, sound card. Right. Let's just change that to let's change that to that. That's the most expensive one. That's not that one. One a 2080 Ti, 2080 Ti, and a 2080 Ti. Where's the 2080? Is that okay? I think that's the one I have to get. Check it. Oh my god. Okay. Then. Do you know? Let's get rid of these. See how that is. Nope, still can't. Okay. Right. Well, I guess. Right. Let's just get rid of the sound card altogether because clearly this isn't working. Proceed. Okay. I mean, I don't care. Okay. Well, that's that. Okay. Well, that'll do. I mean. It didn't say that it's wrong, so we'll take that. So that is altogether, including VAT, £26,962, and excluding VAT, £22,468.33. So that is the Intel one. Now we're gonna add all this stuff. So monitor. Let's go for the most expensive monitor, of course. Which is 980. Okay. Second monitor, let's go for another one. Monitor cables. Of course, you have to go for the most expensive monitor cables that you can. Eye adapter. Don't even know what the point of this is, but we'll go with it. Keyboard and mouse. Yeah, let's go for a basic Microsoft one, 6 grid. Nah, 182. Ooh, I'm pretty sure this is Corsair. Okay, mouse. £3. Nice. From PCSpecialist. £5 from Logitech. £17. That's not a bad price actually. The Corsair Saber RGB should be here. That's my mouse. There we go. Corsair Saber RGB, that's my mouse that I'm currently using. Not had any problems with it really. £49, I got it for £60, that's sort of £50, that's a bit of a rip-off. 142 gaming mouse pads. Let's go for this one, 64 quid. And then game streaming, 349. Games controller, 47. Gaming chair. They were the same price, but I prefer the blue one. Speakers, £149. Webcam. The C920 should be here somewhere actually. Yep, there it is, C920, £82. Alright, well let's go for the £89 one. Headsets. 199. Jesus Christ, £199. Surge protection. Just go for this one. Cable management. Go for that. Printer. Go for that. Oh, that's currently unavailable. Oh, okay. Alright, so that's all that. Checking the specification. What? Right, so we can't do the surge protector. We'll have to do that one then. Why is it now say? Okay, do you know what? This was fine before I added all that other stuff, so I'm gonna just go with it. Okay, we'll just go with it. Oh, because of the Elgato. Okay. No, let me change the Elgato then. Change it to that one. No, that's not gonna work, is it? Flip. I'll change the Elgato then to that. Boom. Alright, so altogether that's £30,196 including VAT and £25,163.33 excluding VAT. Okay. That's a hell of a lot. Right, now we're going to go on to AMD. And we're going to do £340 to 800, 420 to 3,000, 1,220 to 4,000, 480 to 3,000, 550 to 2,000, and 630 to 3,000. Okay. Well, this is the most expensive budget. Oh, okay, straight onto it. Right, well, let's go for that. I can't do that. Okay, let's go for that one. Processor. Obviously, you're going to have the most expensive one. Motherboard. Let's go for this one. Memory. 128 gigabytes, of course. Graphics cards. 2080 Ti. Let's go for it again. 2080 Ti. 2080 Ti. Where's the 2080? Where is it? Where even is it? There isn't any 2080. Why is there no 2080? Okay. Let's just choose that one. Mixing an Nvidia and Radeon card, because that works. Oh wait, 2080, so maybe that'll be nope, maybe it won't be. Alright, cool, that's alright, sick. Right, let's go 12 terabyte, 12 terabyte, 2 terabyte. Let's go for that. 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 Let's go for. I prefer the blue ones. And then fan control. Let's go for that. Let's go for that. There we go. Let's go for that. Let's go for that. Oh, this is a lot. Okay. The operating system. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, so the PC alone, is this all gonna work? I mean, it doesn't say that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Must be okay. Cool. That's fine. Let me just change that to the NVIDIA card on there. Then that'll do. What is correct? It is correct. They're all NVIDIA. Oh no, this one's not NVIDIA. Does this one have to be NVIDIA? Oh, I mean, I can get an NVIDIA one anyway. Alright, that'll do. So that, I mean, it doesn't, wait, is it gonna, Okay, let's get rid. Maybe do I have to change this? Alright, let's change this to that then. Nope. Alright, change the case quick. There. Oh fuck. Why does nothing work? Okay, well, we can't have the Blu-ray drive, unfortunately, because the case doesn't support it. Okay. And this. Alright, let's just get rid of that then. Are you actually having a laugh? Wait. It must be dispatched on a pallet. Oh my god. The PC is that big that it needs to be dispatched on a pallet. Jesus Christ. Anyway, I mean, that works. So that is altogether £9,389, including VAT and excluding VAT, that is £7,824.17. Now let's real quickly add all this stuff. Alright, let's add all of this. Monitor cables. Add that. Infinity adapter. My mouse was all done for. Add that. Keyboard and mouse. There we go. Mouse. There we go. Mouse pad. There we go. Games controller. There we go. Game streaming. There we go. Gaming chair. There we go. That's the right one. It doesn't really matter. Oh no, yeah, it is the right one. Speakers. There we go. Webcam. There we go. Headsets. There we go. Surge protection. That one's not available, is it? So I'll have to do that one. Wait, didn't we do that one before? Yeah, it was this one that was available. Cable management. Get that. Printer. Oh, that's unavailable, isn't it yet? Alright. So now. Yep. Okay. So what we need to do is change the Elgato. And no, that's the wrong thing. No, that's the wrong thing as well. Okay, brilliant. There we go. Elgato and change it to that. Right. Okay, that's all fine. So altogether, that is £12,623, including VAT, and excluding VAT, that is £10,519.17. And that is both the Intel and AMD most expensive computers that you can get, really, assuming that everything is available and everything works together. Well, that said, after the 14 days of Fortnite, the videos might stop for a little bit, or even during it, possibly the videos might stop, because I am hopefully going to be getting a new graphics card and new power supply. So obviously the PC will have to be done at the shop for maybe like a day or something, so that I can so they can get it fitted. And actually, it shouldn't take that long, I don't think, because they're only putting 2 things in. So yeah, I've already checked and it should all work together. But yeah, that is pretty much that. I checked on PC Part Picker last night, and it said that all the components will work. Like if I get these new ones, they'll all work. There won't be any problems with it. So yeah, so that is it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.